Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I'll show you how to change screen lock type in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to lock screen. After that go to screen lock type, then type your current pin or password, then tap on continue. Now here you can see in my phone current screen lock type is password. If you want to change it to pattern, then just tap on pattern and then draw a new pattern, then tap on continue, then draw your new pattern again to confirm it, then tap on confirm and it's changed. Now if I lock my device and then swipe for unlock, now here you can see in my phone screen lock type has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change screen lock type in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.